ka ba ng affordable single detached unit dito sa Cabuyao City? So meron ako ipapakita sa inyo, which is the Mori model, which is the single detached dito sa Idesha, Cabuyao East. So ang turnover po natin is a core type or bare type or open plan. Ibig sabihin is kayo ang bahalang mag-design. Yun ang good thing doon na kung meron kayong desired na design inside your home. So very ideal sa inyo ang core type or bare type. So this is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. So pasukin na po natin. Today, ayan, papasukin natin or i-house tour ko kayo dito sa deliverable unit ni Mori. So, Mori again is a single detached with 100 square meter lot area and floor area of 62.70 square meter. Very modern ang ating facade or yung unit natin. So, on this side po, we have the provision for garden. Then at the same time, dito naman po is for your carport. Okay? Then pasok po tayo. Ayan, so upon entering guys, so since this is an empty house tour, so ito po yung actual deliverable po natin. So ayan po yung ating provision for living area. Then we have space dito, so you can turn it into a cabinet or pwede ka maglagay dyan ng storage or pwede ka maglagay dito ng divider. Then on this side, so ito po yung ating provision for your dining area. Then ang good thing guys, ayan, meron tayong sliding door na pwede nating gawing lanay yung sa labas. Then ito po yung ating kitchen. Then on this side, so ito yung first toilet and bath natin. Ayan. Then on this side po, so ito yung ating service area. Ayan, so kung gusto niyo pong ilabas yung ating laundry or magkaroon tayo ng laundry at the same time mag-extend po tayo ng ating dirty kitchen. So very ideal po itong area to. Po tayo. So, ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito na pwede mo siyang gawing high ceiling, itong part na to. Ayan. Then, dito na tayo. So, dito sa second floor, you may have it 3 bedroom. So, ayan. So, kayo na po bahalang magpa-ceiling, pero good thing, naka-prepare na po yung mga outlet natin, yung mga connection natin for our bulbs and lights. Ayan. Then, dito sa second floor, we also have our toilet and bath. So, ayan po. Then, yung mga windows natin, kung mapapansin nyo, napakaliwanag. Kasi ayan, ideal siya for 3 bedrooms. So, ayan, dito, ayan, meron din tayong window. Then meron din dito. So ideal siguro to for 1 bedroom. Then we have our outlets, naka-prepare na. Then another window. Then dito kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, may tatlong window. For sure this is ideal for another bedroom, then another bedroom. Ayan. Siguro dito pwede mo iset yung master's bedroom mo. But anyway, it's up to you as a homeowners kung paano mo siya i-design. Since this is a core or bare type deliverable. Then on this door, ito yung ating mini balcony. Ayan, so ayan po yung ating mini balcony. Kung nagustuhan po nila si Mori Model dito sa Idesha, Cabuyao, for your family, so don't hesitate to message me. Feel free to message me on my Viber, WhatsApp, with the number of 0956-618-6967. And you can also contact me on my FB page, Bahay for One. If your relatives and friends are looking for perfect home like this, please share and like na rin po yung ating video. Again, this is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye!